Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage Magnifier feature. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display of your console and now go to Settings from My Menu. Now enter Accessibility, Display and Sound, and go to Zoom. Now switch the button to Enable Zoom, and then you can adjust display area to movement. And on the bottom of the screen you've got tutorial how to start zoom adjustment. As you can see on the controller, in order to start zoom adjustment you have to press simultaneously PS button and square button. To reset zoom adjustment, press circle button, and to confirm, press X button. Just like this. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.